Students, today in Social Studies of Standard 4, we will start the new lesson. Lesson number 7, Landforms. Now what is landforms? Landforms is a natural feature on the Earth's surface. Whatever feature is present on the Earth's surface is known as landform. Example, hill, mountain, valleys. Next topic is physical features. The natural features on the surface of the earth are called physical features. Natural features means they are made by nature. There are different kinds of landforms on our earth. First, plain. Second, hill. Third, mountain. Fourth, valley. Fifth, plateau. Sixth, desert. We will discuss all the 6 types of landforms in our chapter. Next, first is plain. By the word itself we come to know that plain means flat. So, a plain is a level land which is flat, which is straight. It is easy to build roads, build houses and buildings on the plains. Here in this image you can see a plain on which vegetation has been done. Plains near the rivers are very fertile and suitable for growing crops. Example, the plains of river Ganga in India is very fertile. The plains near the Ganga river is very fertile. It is very adequate for growing crops. Second is hill. A hill is a naturally raised area higher than the land surrounding it. It is slightly raised than the land surrounding it. Hills are much higher than the plains. Hills are higher as compared to plains. Hills which are very high receive snowfall in winters. In hilly areas, the hills which are very high receive snowfall in winters. Many hills have thick vegetation. Thick vegetation means many types of plants can be grown. And orchards. What is orchard? Orchard means land where fruits are grown. Hills have pleasant weather conditions, so they have become popular hill station. The weather of the hills is very good, so tourists go there and visit these hill stations. In example, Shimla and Ooty are the popular hill stations in India. Third is mountain. Now, what is a mountain? A mountain is a landform that rises above the surrounding area. It is higher than the hills. A mountain is the highest landform on the earth. It is the biggest landform, highest landform on the earth. The side of a mountain is called a slope. The side, as you can see in this image, the side of a mountain is called a slope. The top of a mountain is called a summit or peak. The top of the mountain, here you can see this is the top of this mountain, so it is called a summit or peak. The high mountain peaks are always covered with snow. In the hilly areas, the mountains which are very high are always covered with snow. Mountains have very little vegetation. It is not possible to grow crops on the mountains, so it has very little vegetation. Next is mountain ranges. Now, a group or chain of mountains is known as mountain ranges. Mountain ranges are very long. Many mountains combine together and form mountain ranges. It is very long. Most rivers start from the snow-covered mountains due to the melting of snow. Many rivers start from the mountains. When the snow above the mountains melts, it forms water and many rivers start. The highest mountain range is Mount Everest in Nepal. It is 8,848 meters high. Examples of mountain ranges are the Rocky Mountain in North America and the Himalayan mountains in India. These two are the examples of mountain ranges.